First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range, oh, a brand new range, oh.
Welcome back to the Rohan Aru, the Xplore Mindz podcast. As your educator, I hear one problem more often than almost any other. Sir, I know I need to do it, but I just can't start. The dreaded P word, procrastination, is the silent killer of dreams, the thief of time, and it makes you feel guilty. But here's the truth. Procrastination isn't a character flaw, it's a behavior pattern you can break. Today, we decoded it. This is the Procrastination Playbook. Why we delay and how to start now. We often think we procrastinate because we are lazy, but that's rarely the full story. Let's uncover the true culprits: perfectionism and fear of failure. We delay starting because we fear we can't do it perfectly or we might fail. But if you don't start, you can't fail, right? This is a self-defeating trap. What is the antidote? Please focus on progress, not perfection. Second, overwhelm. The task seems too big. Revise all of biology? That's not a task, that's a mountain. Your brain shuts down. The antidote is break it down. Lack of clarity. You don't know exactly what to do first. Study for physics, but what in physics? Where do you even begin? The antidote is define the next single step. The last one, reward system mismatch. Social media and games give instant rewards. Studying gives delayed rewards. Your brain chooses the instant gratification. The antidote is let's create small, immediate rewards for starting. Understand why you delay is the first step to overcoming it. Ready for actionable strategies? There are secret weapons. First, the 2-minute rule from James Clear. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to do it now. Don't put it off. Sending that email, gathering your books, making a list, just do it. This builds momentum and reduces mental clutter. Example, need to start homework, right? Your 2-minute rule is open the textbook to correct page. That's it. Once the book is open, the next step becomes easier. Next, the task chunking. The Salami Slice. Break overwhelming tasks into a tiny manageable chunks, like slicing a salami. Instead of writing essay, try brainstorm 3 main points for 15 minutes. Write intro paragraph for 20 minutes after that. Then find 2 quotes for body paragraph for 10 minutes. Each tiny chunk becomes less intimidating start. And remember, episode first, the first 10 rule, right? That's your ultimate chunking strategy. Sometimes your environment is sabotaging you. So let me teach you the environment hack. How to make it hard to procrastinate. First, study space. Clear your desk. Put away your phone. Then open the correct books before you sit down. Digital distraction. You can use website blockers, turn off notifications. Just make it genuinely harder to get distracted than to do the task. Second, the accountability buddy. Find a friend who is also battling procrastination. Agree to a specific task and a time. Send each other a quick message. Started my 10 minutes on bio. The simple act of committing to someone else can be incredibly powerful. Share your first step with them. So, procrastination is a habit, but so is starting. By understanding the why and applying these practical tools, you can rewire your brain to act. Don't wait for motivation, build the system. Thank you for tuning in to the Rohan Aru's The Xplore Mindz podcast. Next week, we are helping you to minimize your study time with maximizing your study time, effective strategy for efficiency. So don't miss it. Until then, keep exploring your potential. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.
First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range. Oh, a brand new range. Oh.